Select New Cut from the menu. Choose your material. Cutlistor comes with standard sheet sizes pre-loaded, or you can add your own materials, stock and inventory. Now let's import your kitchen or cabinetry PDF drawing. Cutlistor will analyze the drawing and automatically identify the required parts. Give it a few seconds to process the drawing. Prefer to build the cutting list yourself? You can also add parts manually. Once the analysis is complete, click Got It to import all the detected parts. Your parts are now added and the sheet optimization is ready. Take a moment to review the panel sizes and dimensions. You can switch between different cutting and nesting methods to find the layout that works best for your workshop. Adding edge banding is easy. Simply select the edges you want to apply. To calculate material costs, enter the price of your sheet materials and enable price calculation. Finally, export your cutting list as a PDF, Excel file, or CNC file. And that's it. Try Cutlistor for free at cutlistor.com.